Yeah, what's up, everybody? JC Roll, keeping it real FOREX King. So right now, doing a little market recap for the end of Tuesday, which is the first of the month. So today, the market show a lot of movement on London and New York session for the AUD pair, as well as the GBP pairs and gold. So let's look at the market right now. This GBP USD. So basically, during London session, the market went up. Then New York session, the market retraced back down. So right now, still overall uptrend. I wouldn't be looking for sales right now because lately, if you look at the higher time frames, let's go to 4-hour chart. The market clearly just been going up. So it hasn't confirmed those sell opportunities yet. So I'll be focusing straight on buys and allow it to retest its trend line. So buys only. Now let's look at gold. So right now gold dropped like crazy during New York session. So right now I'm not sold on the sell opportunities. So I won't be selling gold. We focus on buys. But basically what happened Tuesday, it was pretty much going bearish. As you can see in this 4-hour chart. So I mean it did go uptrend to like London, but then it dropped down to New York session. Be like that sometimes. And now like AUD USD. So this pair did go up during London and then drop down crazy during New York session. So overall, it just been dropping, but the overall trend is still uptrend. So I will be focusing mostly on buys to be safe to go into Wednesday, September 2nd. Like to buy at support, let it retest support, and look for buy opportunities if it retests its trend line. Support trend line. And now back to US Dirty. So US Dirty was straight buys during New York session. As you see, we're still rising during London session because according to the Dow, if it goes down, it must come up because what's going on in the economy. You got to check investing.com. You can read articles to see what's going on with the stocks and futures. You look at what's going on with coronavirus. You get an early start to understand what's happening. That gives you a better edge on these fundamental analysis when you trade. So US 30, obviously, it's going back up. So probably retest the high. So gotta be patient on it. And the Euro USD. So Euro USD finally dropped during like New York session heavily. As you can see, I'm not sold on the drop yet because if I look at the 4-hour chart, I still want to focus on uptrend opportunities because we're creating higher highs and higher lows. So right now it's testing this support area. So you want to buy support. If it breaks down here, maybe I'll look for sales. If it breaks like at this point, if it breaks down here, because the market has been consolidating a lot, but mostly staying to the upside. So you don't want to get faked out on the higher time frames for your USD if you're trying to hold. And then for SB, S&P 500 overall uptrend, so look for buy opportunities. As you can see, straight going up. And that's pretty much the recap of what's happening in the market for like Tuesday. So for Wednesday, continue to look for buy opportunities for the Dow Jones, AUD, continue to look for buy opportunities. GBP, wait for it to retest support for best entry, but still look for buy opportunities. Right now, for FIBs, it might retrace to hit this 0.618 area, but that's just a target for a take profit if you got in a buy right now. And for GBP USD, looking for buy opportunities right now during Asia session, probably hold to London. That's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. And you already know, we out here. Peace.